Hey everyone, this is Danny Etkin representing Team Paul Mitchell. Today I'm going to show you how to do a thumb spin. This is what it looks like. So when you start off the thumb spin, the position that you want to have in your hand is just like a thumbs up. Now from here, you're going to take your chuck and you're going to place it right in that little pocket in between your thumb and your pointer finger. Now from here, it's really important that you have this butt end of the nunchuck sticking outwards, not inwards. Now from here, this is almost like a hand roll, but on like a miniature level. So instead of going around your hand, it's going to be going around your thumb. So you're going to try to flip that hanging chuck around, and you're going to catch it on the chuck that just spun around your thumb. So you're switching handles. So now you can see at the end of the move, the end of the nunchuck is on the opposite side that it started in. So let's try it again. Right from here, I'm going to bring the chuck around and catch. So that would be a single thumb spin, just like so. Once you get it pretty comfortable with that, you can always try to do the double thumb spin, in which it spins around 2 times, just like that.